Okay, so guys, you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to send cryptocurrency or how to send any cryptocurrency to someone else or use it to pay to make some payments online. So let's say when you launch to your crypto wallet, you're going to see the amount you have in each cryptocurrency. So as you can see, I have 14.54 cents in my Dogecoin, and also I have 13.41 dollars in Matron. So all in total, it's going to be 27.95 cents. So if you want to send, let's say for example, if you want to make a payment of Dogecoin, just tap on it, and after that, you're going to see these arrows over here. So we have this arrow and also this arrow. This arrow means you are sending, and this arrow also means you are receiving. So if you want to send, just tap on the arrow, and it's going to ask you the amount that you want to send. So when you input the amount, then you just, so let's say you want to make a payment of, let's say, like $10. You just type in 10, then you add, when you type in 100, it's going to um, you know show you the amount over here. So we have $10 over here. So after that, then you tap on the enter. So it's going to also show you the amount that is remaining in your account, and also the network fee that you are going to pay over here. This is the network fee, and this is the remaining balance left in your account. So if you want to send this amount, you just tap on enter. So when you tap on enter, they are going to ask you to paste your um, Dogecoin address, the Dogecoin address that you that's going to receive the you know amount of money. You just paste it over here in the box over here, or you can also use the QR code to scan. I mean, this one to scan if the person is closer to you. Do you get me? So this is how to send cryptocurrency to um, someone, or use how to send or make payment with cryptocurrency with your Exodus wallet. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye.